Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set the allow repeated calls option on your iPhone or iPad. So first of all you have to go to your settings and here go to the do not disturb section in the menu, and then if you scroll down you will see the phone and the repeated calls section in this menu. The phone section says allow calls from. So when in do not disturb, you can allow incoming calls from no one or from everyone, or you can use a specific group by clicking on the groups menu. You can choose specific persons that they can call you even if your do not disturb mode is on. And the other one, the repeated calls option, is a very useful one in my opinion, and this can be even life-saving. If you turn this on, then if someone calls you within 3 minutes twice, it will let through the second call. So this is very useful for emergencies or for very important things. If someone calls you, you do not respond, then maybe they will call you later. But if they call you right away, the same time, then probably it's something important. So if you turn this on, the second call will come through. I think this is a very nice option. I would use it. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider liking and subscribing. And see you in the next one.